Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what's new in the newest PlayStation 5 software update. The first thing I'm gonna show you is personalized 3D audio profiles for your headphones and earbuds. You can set a personalized 3D audio profiles so your headphones or earbuds will deliver the most personalized sound for you. To enable it, go to Settings, then go to Sound, then 3D Audio Headphones, and then if you have headphones connected, you can go to Create Personalized 3D Audio Profile, and then you can personalize it here. The next thing is enabling remote plays for individual users. You can select which users can use remote play on your PlayStation 5. To enable it, go into Settings, then System, then Remote Play, and now click on Enable Remote Play, and you can enable or disable it for different users. That's enabling remote play. And the last thing I want to show you is adaptive charging for your controller. If you want to enable adaptive charging, go into Settings, then go into System, Power Saving, and then Features available in rest mode. Now you can set this option, supply power to USB ports, to either off, adaptive, 3 hours, or always. Adaptive is the new option you can set. You can also click here to learn more about adaptive charging. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.